नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the preparation of cold cream. Preparation of cold cream belongs to the pharmaceutics practical for the B Pharm first semester. Preparation of cold cream is very important for the uh, for the for the cosmetic preparation like pharmaceutical preparation. So today's aim is the to prepare and submit cold cream. Firstly, we discuss about the firstly we perform the practical. We perform any practical, then already preparation for this practical. So the what is the preparation of the practical and what is the uh, pre pre preparation of the practical. Pre preparation of the practical is the which type of apparatus used in this practical, which type of chemical in use this practical, which type of procedure in use practical. So all our combination parameters included on the practical slab in lab. So the firstly we discuss about the which type of chemical used. Firstly, beeswax 16 gram and paraffin oil 33 ml and water 50 ml and borax 1 gram. So the firstly we discuss about the what is the introductory part of the cream. Cream are the semi-solid emulsion of oil and water. A cream is a preparation usually for application to the skin. Cream may be considered pharmaceutical products as even cosmetic creams are based on techniques developed by pharmacy, and unmedicated creams are highly used in a variety of skin conditions. Cream may be defined as a water-soluble medicinal preparation applied to the topical layer of skin. So the cold cream is mainly used for the skin treatment such as facial mask or lip balm, and due to its moisturizing property. So it can be also used to remove makeup as well as shaving cream, and cold cream has been around for much longer than we assume. So then we discuss about the procedure. What is the procedure of this practical? Firstly, 16 gram of beeswax and 50 gram of paraffin oil are mixed together. 16 gram of beeswax and 50 gram of paraffin oil are mixed together in a mortar pestle. So in pre-preparation, in pre-formulation study, in pre-preparation, firstly wash the mortar and pestle, and accurate amount of weight beeswax on the weighing balance, and 15 gram of paraffin also weighing on the weighing balance. So mix together in a mortar pestle, and 33 ml of water and 1 gram of borax are mixed. So these two mixture are heated to 75 degrees Celsius and then mixed until the temperature drops to 35 degrees Celsius. A sample of cold cream is produced at definite temperature. So, this is the short procedure of the cold cream. So now we discuss about the what is the packaging in manufacturing unit. Sometimes in manufacturing unit we will perform the practical. So the what is the criteria of the packaging? In a suitable closed collapsible tube is packed and labeled. So what is the storage condition of the cold cream? Store in a well closed container in a cool place. Do not freeze. So uses cold cream cannot be used in clean and soften the skin. It helps to keep the skin moisturized. It also helpful in keeping the skin fresh. So overall the cold cream is a just like a semi-solid preparation. Semi-solid preparation under the cold cream. Cold cream is very important for the facial massage and all are these cosmetic preparation. So the firstly we discuss about the cold cream is which type of emulsion. Cold cream is an emulsion on water and certain fats, usually including beeswax and various scent agent. Designed to smooth skin and remove makeup, the emulsion of a water in oil type of, unlike the oil is water type emulsion of vanishing cream, so called because it seems to disappear when applied on the skin. So, firstly, we also the discuss about the key differences and what is the differences of moisturizers and cold creams. Are the most preferred type of creams. Generally, there arises some confusion in their uses. While a moisturizer is used to the day to protect the skin from dryness, a cold cream is used during the cold season to keep the skin hydrated. Uh, so the so can I firstly can I leave cold cream on overnight? So the this product is super simple to use. The goal is to really massage your face with the cream for at least a solid minute before wiping it off with the cotton balls or pads. If you have dry, dehydrated skin, feel free to leave the cream on and left it soak in overnight for the best result. So overall the description of the cold cream and included in the procedure and storage condition and uses of the cold cream. So overall the complete protocol of the practical. Uh, this is the complete session, and this digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.